Okay, we have it our trunk, and I want to add plant, maybe palm on top. So I'm going to right click, geometry, and we're going to select palm segment. So next I'm taking this palm segment and I'm connecting to the trunk. Okay, notice right here in the trunk, we also have it all this drawing from previous that we did before. And I'll just click on them, left click, remove children, and same, left click, remove children. So we just clean up a little bit. Next, I want in the trunk, going to our palm, we'll go to take the start. Okay, let's go right there actually. Okay, and modify. So I want to take increase. So we have a little bit more of those palms going around. Okay, from the start, we don't want this. Okay, let's go bring them up, up, up. Too high, probably around this area. Okay, let's go to add a little bit coil on them just to make something on rotation. So they look a little bit somewhat interesting. Okay, so right here, for example, I created plants, but some leaves maybe does not look good, and I want this not be as a species. I want this be as a hero plant or a single plant that I want to create it. In this case, I can still modifying them with my drawing tool, which is kind of nice. So same, I need to select Alt or a touch up. So I can go click on specific plant, like right here. And you can see that I can modify even single instance. Notice they're all same, they're all in one, but I can actually adjust them, rotate them, move that specific or different plant around. Okay, so I can rotate maybe a little bit lower right here. Maybe bring slightly down. So you can see how I can select. I can select different plants, different leaves, same things. I can adjust. I can also go ahead and add additional point that will look before. Okay, let me go back, select this plant, increase size, as well rotation. So you can see that I have the same manipulations on all the different leaves that I can do. That allowed me to select individually, even they all created from before by connecting our nodes, so they're creating from the nodes, but with a painting tool and adjustments, I can actually go ahead, select and adjust those specific leaves in a node. So this has allowed me to some extent modify slightly of them. You know, maybe position a bit lower, like right there. There you go. So you can see I can reposition them, place it properly, and create my unique type of the plant. Again, because it's painting tool, if I save just this plant, that will save this position. However, remember, it does not apply to the species. So some of those changes will apply if we go inside the trunk and look on palm. Some of those will apply inside. However, when you modify individual, in this case, palm leaves from all of these children, some of this will apply just to that. So it won't be affected our global settings. What I recommend for you to do, if you are planning, just create one plant that will be main or a hero and you create roots, other stuff, then use it painting tool, and we'll look on some additional brushes we have here. However, if you are creating for ecosystem population, try to avoid this painting, because in some cases maybe some shape or other things may be confusing afterwards when you start actually exporting as a species and put an ecosystem, so they will look a little bit different from what you created, and it's due to the actually some parameters does not passing as a globals. They will only apply to the local, to the specific blend.